to Super Style. This is Prachi and today I'll be doing a very risky kind of a video because you know makeup is not exactly my thing. Of course I wear lipstick and foundation and things like that, but then eyeshadow is that one thing that I've been very scared of doing for a long time. But finally the temptation to learn how to apply eyeshadow, and just I don't know, it's fun, right? When you look at these eyeshadow tutorials in these videos, they just look so amazing. So yes, today I'll be doing an eyeshadow video. I'm not gonna call it a tutorial because I'm sure a lot of my viewers right now probably know this better than I do. And yes, feel free to share your comments in the comment section below. Correct me wherever I've made mistakes. In the last two makeup videos, I have actually learned so much because of you guys. And for all the newbies out there who are watching an eyeshadow video to learn something from me, you can go ahead, do the same things as I am doing, but please look at the comment section as well so that you don't end up repeating my mistakes, you know. I mean, I would love to learn this with you guys. It would be nice to just have like a community of girls who are just beginning to learn this, but don't make the same mistakes, of course. So what I have with me today is Nykaa's new launch, which is Nykaa Just Wink It eyeshadow palettes. Now, if you are following me on Instagram, you already know this. They have recently launched 3 eyeshadow palettes in the shades Dare to Bear, Smokin' Hot and Crazy in Love. Now, one of the very interesting things that I recently learned about eyeshadow palettes, guys, is that, or rather eyeshadows, is that if you use it like with a dry brush, you know, the colors are going to come out nice and good. But if you just dip the brush a little bit in water before applying the eyeshadow, oh my god, the color payoff is just like amazing. It just comes out all differently and so beautifully. So as you can see the swatch on my hand over here, there is a huge difference between the two colors and how they have come off. Even though it's from the same eyeshadow palette, using the same brush on the same, you know, background, which is like the same skin which I have, and I think it was really amazing. So here's a dry and wet swatch of the Dare to Bear eyeshadow palette. The next is a dry and wet swatch of the Smokin' Hot eyeshadow palette. And the last one is a dry and wet swatch of Crazy in Love. Let me know in the comment section below how you want to use your eyeshadow palettes. Do you like using them dry or do you like using them wet? And yeah, it would be just nice to know your opinions. So for today's video, I'm going to be using the Nykaa Just Wink It Dare to Bear eyeshadow palette because of 2 reasons. Number one, I really like the colors. They're all nude and you know, things that you just can never go wrong with. And number 2, nude colors are usually, I think, much easier to work with. And you know, for a beginner like me, I think it's probably better that I start with playing safe, and then, you know, eventually with time, once I learn, I would love to experiment with more bold and more, you know, interesting, brighter colors. For now, I'll just play it safe and try out this eyeshadow palette. I'm going to be using 2 brushes. One is the brush which the palette came with. So it's basically like, you know, it's got like a sponge tip over here and a really nice brush over here. Both of these are like really useful. This is used for blending and this is used for just picking up eyeshadow and applying the eyeshadow. You can blend it a little bit with this, but mostly blending with this. And the second brush that I'll be using today is something which I have used for a lot of times in the past when I just dab like 1 or 2 colors randomly. This is the brush which is used for blending eyeshadows. You know, that's what I have learned. So this is a brush used for blending eyeshadow. So I'm just going to use this to blend a little bit. So I'm going to start by first taking this color over here. attempt at wearing an eyeshadow myself. Let me know in the comment section below what you think about how I did. And like I said, please feel free to make your suggestions. Let me know how to improve, what corrections need to be made. And yeah, that's about it. Seriously, thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much for being here. If you're still watching this video till this point, I just want to say thank you so much for supporting the fact that I want to learn something, and that's a sound coming from the kitchen. So yes, thanks a lot for supporting the fact that I want to learn something, and you know, I'm just doing a video in the process of my learning experience and just sharing it with you guys. And yeah, by the way, if you have any funny stories of your own to share as to how you learn how to apply eyeshadow, just stuff like that, just comment, you know, just share your stuff. Thanks for watching, guys. This is me, Prachi, signing off now.